Blue's the best color ever.
Nuh-uh, green's the best color ever.
Yeah, right. Blue is so much better.
Stop fighting, guys. We all know that red's the best color, and I'll show you why.
Huh?
Whoa!
Hey, you have a red wig.
Whoa, you have a red clown wig.
Huh?
Welcome to the Red Food Challenge.
Red food challenge?
But I want green food.
If you guys eat all the red food on your plate, you get a point.
Oh, man.
Let's do this.
First item on the menu, red candies.
Oh yeah, M&M.
Oh, no, hot tamales. Ugh.
Oh, this is gonna be easy. There's Skittles in there. Oh, why are they mixed with M&M's?
Well, I did say red candies.
Oh, I can't eat this.
Sorry, Max, you don't get the point then. Ivy, it's your turn.
All right, here it goes. That's actually really good. All done.
Ivy, you get a point.
Yes.
The next round is gonna be a little fruity.
Fruity?
I
Whoa!
told you it's gonna be fruity.
Wow, this looks so cool, but it's not red on the inside.
It is on the outside.
Whoa.
All right, time to eat. I wonder if I eat all of this, I'll turn into a dragon.
Oh, I love watermelon. Let's scoop some out. It's like watermelon ice cream. Look, I'm all finished.
I'm done too.
Congratulations, guys. You both get a point.
Oh, I'm not a dragon, but at least it was delicious.
Yeah, the watermelon was great too.
On to the next round. We're gonna have a chugging challenge.
Oh.
Whoever finishes their drink first gets a point.
What even is Mogu Mogu?
I don't know, but I got red fruit punch.
3, 2, 1, chug.
Oh, it's gonna be delicious.
Oh no, I need to catch up. Luckily, I can do 2 at once.
Whoa, Max is in the lead, but Ivy's catching up.
Oh, Ivy's getting ahead. I need to drink faster. Ah, finish.
Congratulations, Max. You got the point.
Yes.
Oh man, I was drinking so fast. Congratulations, Max.
Don't worry, Ivy. You can make it up in the next round. Hope you guys are hungry.
Whoa, extra hot Cheetos? These are supposed to be super hot.
Flamin' Hot Ruffles. These will go way better with salsa.
Did somebody say salsa?
Whoa, thanks, Lily.
Yeah.
I don't need salsa. Huh? Ah!
I bet you wish you had salsa now. Oh yeah.
Oh, these are too hot. I can't eat them.
Too bad, so sad. All done.
Nice, Ivy. You finished your food, so you get a point.
Yes.
For the next round, we're having red vines and teriyaki sausages. Ivy, you get the red vines. Max, you get the teriyaki sausages.
Huh? I've never had teriyaki sausages before.
While you're eating those, I'm gonna enjoy my red vine. They're so fun and tasty.
Good job. You guys both get a point.
Yes.
The next round is Tiny versus Giant Challenge. Whoever wins the race gets to choose.
A race?
Well, we're so full.
Too bad. Let's go. All right, whoever gets to the fountain first wins. Ready, set, go!
I don't like running.
I'm so tired.
I win. I choose giant food.
I was too full to win.
Right, it looks like Max got the big tomatoes and Ivy got the small ones.
Oh, I don't even like tomatoes.
They're so cute. Teeny tiny yummies.
Okay, here it goes. Oh, I don't want to eat this.
Well, I finished all mine.
Sorry, Max, I guess you don't get the point, but congrats, Ivy, you get the point.
Oh man, I hope the next one's easier.
Oh, it's easy. It's a piece of cake.
It's okay, Max. For this round, we'll give you something to go along with your tomatoes.
Oh, more tomatoes.
Now I'm really excited.
Oh, I got spaghetti.
I got spicy noodles.
The spaghetti has no red.
Not for long.
Oh, now we're talking. This is way better than plain old tomatoes.
Your turn, Ivy.
All right, let's do this. Huh? Spicy red pepper? This must be spicy. All right. Spicy. Oh gosh, so spicy but so good.
Oh, so good.
Oh yeah.
Nice, you guys both get a point. All right, guys, the next round is gonna be excellent.
Are you saying we're having
Eggs? Exactly.
Huh?
Ooh. Oh, I love hard-boiled eggs.
When you said eggs, I didn't think you meant fish eggs. Oh.
Max, you can start us off.
Oh, yes. Oh, this looks so good. Mmm.
Oh, I guess it's my turn.
Nice, Max, you got a point. Sorry, Ivy, you get no points.
Ooh.
Cake!
Jello.
This round will be a no hands challenge. Whoever wins gets 2 points.
All right.
Bring it on, Max.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
This red velvet cake is so good.
I love Red Jello. I'm done.
I'm finished. I win.
Congratulations, Ivy, you won the challenge. Did you guys enjoy the red food?
Yeah.
Did you guys enjoy the red food challenge? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.